Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In additional, not in today's newspaper of Monday. It's actually Monday. Today, March the 13th, 2023. No, I've told you we have no extra puzzles or additional in today's newspaper. No, I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition. Of this is the puzzle page of Saturday, March the 11th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 1 star, with 28 printed digits. And the second puzzle I will do is the binary puzzle, and this will be number 6108. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits, and it's indicated with 3 stars. Well, I don't know if this is really of 3 stars, but what kind of puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. The beans in a row or in a column. There are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1, between the O's comes an 1, double O, here 1, there 1. Well, we have here 4 O's. I think the 5th O should be not there, otherwise we will have 4 1s in a row in the first row. So here should be a 1, okay. Should be here, the O and a 1. Alright, between the 1s comes an O, between the 1s comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. This is number 5. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Yeah. If I place number 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5 there, we still have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so this is number 5. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order, so we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1. Here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, so the rest are O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow, I don't think this is really a 3 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. Yeah, it should be an easy one, should be an easy one, without any comparing. Well, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.